Hello everyone, I'm Neha back bringing an explanation for Class 6 Science chapter Components of Food. Let's get started. Learning outcomes. We'll know the major and minor nutrients. What is food? About carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, proteins, fats and test their presence in food items. Water, dietary fibers, types of vitamins, sources of some vitamins, deficiency diseases, obesity, and etc. What is food? Food is a nutritive substance taken by an organism for growth, work, repair, and maintaining life processes. Food is a kind of fuel for the living things. Just as petrol fuel for our car, in the same way, food is a fuel for our body. There are 5 major nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. And there are 2 supplementary nutrients: water and roughage, known as dietary fibers. So, nutrients in food are fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water. Carbohydrates. They are called energy-giving food. It is the fuel of our body. There are 2 types of carbohydrates: starch, sugar. Starch. Example: rice, wheat, potato, sweet potato, and etc. Sugar. Example: sugarcane, watermelon, etc. Here are some pictures of carbohydrates. Test of presence of carbohydrates. Materials required: watch glass, dropper. Watch glass is nothing but just a plate. Chemicals required: iodine solution. Procedure: take a small quantity of food sample to be tested in a watch glass. Add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution to it. Observe the color change in the sample. Observation: the sample turns blue-black in color. Result: the appearance of blue-black color indicates the presence of carbohydrates in the food sample. Proteins. They are also called as body-building food. Plant sources: peas, gram, beans. Animal sources: milk, eggs, paneer, fish, meat, and etc. These are the plant sources of proteins and these are the animal sources of proteins. Test the presence of protein. Things needed: chemicals needed: copper sulfate, caustic soda. Things needed: test tube. Procedure: take a food sample in the test tube. Add 10 drops of water and shake the test tube. Using dropper, add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda. Shake the test tube well and observe the color change. Observation: food sample turns violet-purple in color. Result: the appearance of the violet-purple color indicated the presence of proteins. Fats. They are also called as energy-giving food. Fat give instant energy compared to carbohydrates. Fats improve the taste of food. Test for fats. Things needed: paper. Procedure: wrap a food sample in a piece of paper and crush it. Now open the paper and observe the oily patches. Observation: the paper turns translucent and greasy. Result: the oily patches on the paper indicate the presence of fat. Water. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. It helps in digestion or excretion. Helps in blood circulation. They keep us hydrated. It maintains the body temperature. Dietary fibers. They are also known as roughage. Helps to clean our digestive tract. Helps us to detox our body. Example: whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fruits. Vitamins and minerals. helps in protecting our body against diseases, helps in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Kinds of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Sources of vitamin A: butter, eggs, tomatoes, amla, broccoli, meat, milk, avocado, millets, spinach, carrots, and etc. Vitamin B: cashew nuts, milk, tomatoes, meat, groundnuts, seafood, cheese, oil, and etc. Vitamin C: citrus fruits like guava, peas, kiwi, bananas, oranges, and citrus vegetables like tomatoes, green chili, berries, and etc. Vitamin D: meat, bacon, rice, corn, mushroom, cheese, and eggs. Nutrient and example. Example of iodine is ginger, fish, and spinach. Phosphorus: milk, banana, green chili. Iron: spinach, apple, liver. Calcium: milk and eggs. What is deficiency? Sometimes simply getting adequate amount of food might not be enough if the food does not contain the required nutrients in the right amount. Prolonged usage of such nutrient-less food may result in a condition known as deficiency. What are deficiency diseases? Diseases which occur due to the lack of some nutrients. Lack of carbohydrates leads to the disease marasmus. Symptoms: weak and thin body with visible ribs and loose skin. Sources: rice, wheat, potato, maize, sugarcane, watermelon, etc. Lack of proteins causes marasmus and kwashiorkor. Symptoms: swollen face and stomach patches on skin and discoloration of hair. Sources: milk products, fish, meat, milk, etc. Lack of fats causes marasmus. The symptoms are tiredness and weakness. Sources: cheese, dry fruits, oil, nuts, milk, and etc. Here are the milk products: milk, cheese, and here are dry fruits: pista, badam, kishmish, kaju, and etc. Vitamin A's lack causes night blindness. Symptoms: loss of vision in darkness. Sources: milk, fish, oil, carrot, papaya. Lack of vitamin B causes beriberi. Symptoms: weak muscles and little energy to work. Sources: liver, rice, meat. Lack of vitamin C causes scurvy. The symptoms are bleeding gums and wounds take longer time to heal. Sources: lemon, tomato, orange, citrus fruits. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets. Symptoms: bone softens and easily bend. Sources: sunlight, eggs, fish, milk. Lack of calcium results to the decaying bones and teeth. Symptoms: weak bones and teeth. Sources: milk products, soya beans. Lack of iodine causes goiter. Symptoms are glands in the neck get swollen. Sources: egg, seafood, potatoes, and etc. This is seafood. Lack of iron causes anemia. Symptoms: weakness. Sources: liver, meat, fish, etc. This is the meat, fish, and liver. Obesity. Obesity is a condition that occurs to an individual due to excess accumulation of fat due to fat-rich diet. Loss of nutrients. Minerals get lost in food when they are first cut and then washed. Repeated washing grains also remove nutrients. Vitamin C easily gets destroyed while cooking. Balanced diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients required by our body and that too in adequate quantities are called a balanced diet. My plate. Fruits, grains, vegetables, proteins, dairy products and also carbohydrates. This is the food pyramid. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. The sky is the limit and press the bell icon